Metaverse. What is Metaverse? The Metaverse refers to a virtual universe or collective virtual, shared space where people can interact with a computer-generated environment and other users in real time. It's often described as a convergence of virtual reality, VR, augmented reality, AR, and the Internet. Topics. 1. Introduction to the Metaverse. 2. Virtual worlds and immersive environments. 3. Digital identity and avatars. 4. Economy and commerce in the Metaverse. 5. Social and cultural implications. 6. Technology and infrastructure. 7. Legal and regulatory framework. 8. Applications and use cases. 9. Future trends and challenges. 10. Ethical considerations and responsible design. If you want to learn this, then go and visit our website www.intelligencegateway.com. Thank you.